when the lines when the line y is equal to 2x and parabolas line is equal to y is equal to 2x, right? This is question number one we have. So a line that is line y is equal to 2x, right? And parabolas that is y is equal to x square, right? And y is equal to 2x square, right? Are uh, shown for the following. Yeah, as shown below, solve the following problems. Find the point of intersection of A, which is where line y is equal to 2x and parabola y is equal to x square intersects in addition at origin. You know, it is like that. This is the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane we have, right? This is x-axis. This is y-axis, right? And there are, two lines, two parabolas. Means first is like this. Say I start from here. It is passing through origin, vertex at origin. This is right, and another one we have that is like this. Yes, right. So this is for the line y is equal to x square. This is y is equal to x square, and it is y is equal to 2x square, right? And there is a line intersecting. This is the line which is having point A, and this is point B, right? And it is passing through origin also. So this is line AB, and this line is having an equation y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x, right? This line is having AB line is having equation, and it is intersecting parabola at y is equal to x square. So we have to find intersecting point, right? So there are two equations. One equation is this, another one is this one. So we write y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. Fine. All this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So on equating on equating equation 1 and equation 2. So we get x square is equal to 2x, or we can take it, you know, 1x and x is cancelled out. So x is equal to 2, right? These, this black color line is having an equation of equation of parabola is y is equal to x square, right? And this blue color line is having equation of line y is equal to 2x. Since we have to find the coordinate of A, right? We have to find the coordinate of A. So what we do, this is the intersection point. Here, these two lines will have common coordinates, right? Both will have common coordinates. So we equated them. We equated them. This equation 2 and equation 1. When we equate them, then x square is equal to 2x. X from here, x is cancelled out, so x is equal to 2, right? Yeah, replacing, substituting in place of y, we write 2x, because y is equal to 2x, and y is equal to 2, y is equal to x square, and y is equal to 2x. So in place of y, we write 2x. So x square is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 2, right? Okay. So if we take, if we take y, if we put the value of x in equation 1, so value of x in equation 1, so it is y is equal to x square. It means 2. So 2 square, you get 4. So y is equal to 4, right? And if we put this value in equation 2 also, suppose if we put, just to check it, if value of x in equation 1, equation 2, so it becomes y is equal to 2x. So there is 2 into 2, there is 4. So here again y is equal to 4, right? So coordinate of A is, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. So it is 2 comma 4. Got that? 2 comma 4. So on x axis it is 2, and y axis it is 4. This is the coordinate of point A, right? 2 4, yeah. Coordinates is 2 comma 4. This was the first. Now find the point of intersection where y, here at y, it's very interesting. So here at y, we have to find the coordinates of y. B, right? So for B, they all are having coordinates, 0 comma 0. They all have, and for this was, This was coordinate of point A. Now we get coordinate of point B. Coordinate coordinate of point B. Right. So coordinate of point B is intersection of two lines. This is by intersection of two lines. Y is equal to 2x square. Y is equal to 2x square. That is equation number 1. And y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Getting? So these are two equations. So this is I say equation 3 because y is equal to 2x squared and this is y is equal to 2x. We already take equation 2, right? So on this, so on substituting, on substituting, 2x squared, 2x squared is equal to 2x. Getting? So this 2 and 2 is cancelled off and this 1 and 1 is cancelled off. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Right? Now put the put value of x, value of x in equation 1, equation 3, sorry. So that is y is equal to 2 into 1 square becomes 2 into 1, so is equal to 2. So y is equal to so y is equal to 2. Getting? So this equation is coordinate of B is coordinate of B is this is x and 1 comma 2. Coordinate of 1 comma 2. Right? This is points of coordinate. Coordinates of coordinates. Point of coordinate B. Coordinates of point B is equal to 1 comma 2. Got it? Yes. So what next they are asking? Okay, we have to find the length of line segment OA. We have to find the line segment of AB. OA. Like if we want to, we can get the line. They all are having. They all are passing through the points origin. So that becomes 0 comma 0, right? Okay. This is the line segment from there to there. Here it is OB, right? And from here to this point, this is OA. We have to find the length of this, right? Should I rub this? This part you have done. Okay, so for a while, I'm going to rub this on my right hand side. All the things I'm going to rub. So this is. This was equation number 1. Okay. This was equation number 3. We already used that. Okay, fine. Now, we have length of line segment, length length of line segment, line segment O, OA is equal to YA minus YO plus XA minus XO whole. Yeah, this is the formula. This is the formula for getting the length of line segment, right? So this is YA minus YO. Yeah, sorry, YA. Phi YA minus YO whole square plus XA minus XO whole square. Should I explain you for a while? For a while, you just listen me. This is the coordinate axis, right? This is a Cartesian plane, and there is a point P, which is having, coordinates x comma x1 comma y1, and there is another coordinate P which is having coordinate. Sorry, this is P, this is Q. Q is having coordinates x2 y2, right? So when you join this like this, so this is y2, this is y1, this is x1, this is x2, right? This is x2. So when we join this line, so this is a right angle triangle is formed, right? When it is right angle triangle is formed, so distance of this line is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, and distance of this line is y2 minus y1, right? So now by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is PQ. You know, this is PQ. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So perpendicular, so hypotenuse is PQ. So therefore, this is mm, say this is O. This we say if R. So we write here P QR squared plus PR squared, right? And this is PQ square. Means P hypotenuse whole square is equal to perpendicular whole square plus base whole square, right? So now PQ square is fine. PQ square and QR square is y2 minus y1. So we write here y2 minus y1 whole square plus PR square is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square. Now taking square root both sides, we take square root both sides. So finally we get PQ. PQ is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Getting? So this is the length of segment. Length of segment. By this formula, I make that things here. I hope you understand. Is it? Why did it? Yeah, this is how to get the formula. This is the formula we have. We are applying here. Should I rub this? You just take a screenshot of that. You just keep it. We'll discuss it later. Here we are going to solve the problem first. You just remember this thing. You just remember this thing that that PQ, but the length of the segment is equal to square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. That's it. Square root. Yeah. Now we are going to length of segment OA. Right? Should I rub this? Okay, anyway, not a while I'm leaving it. I had a space, so I'm doing it. So OA is equal to, YA is how much? YA is 4, right? Hello? YA is 4. So I write here 4 and YO is no, 0. Coordinate of origin is 0 comma 0. So YO is 0. So I write here y minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus XA. XA is 2. So write here 2 minus 0 whole square. And I take the square root of all these. Right? So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 4 square is 16. Yeah, it is 16. And this is 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 squared is, you know, 2 squared is 4. So it is 4 square root, right? So OA is equal to 20 square root. If we do factor, then 20 means 4 times 5, right? 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 is a perfect square. So we can write OA is equal to 2 root 5, right? So line segment OA is having a length of 2 root 5. Okay. Should I rub this? No, I hope. I need that. Yeah, yeah, we got OA, we got. This is our answer. First, first they, first they got asked coordinate of point A, so that we got 2 comma 4. Then they ask, then in second question there is, answer is 1 comma 2, coordinates of point B. Now they ask line segment OA and OB. So line segment OA is, you know, 2 root 5, right? And now we are going to solve. So now I am going to solve to get the value of, now to get the value of, that is, okay. So now length of line segment, length of line segment length of line segment OB. Fine. Length of O is this origin and B. O to B length we have to find. So length segment OB is equal to, so coordinates of, so we will write here square root y yb minus yo whole square plus xb minus xo whole square. Getting? So yb is 2, so it becomes 2 minus yo is 0. So 0 whole square plus xb is 1 minus 0 whole square. So we take square root of all this. So this is line segment OB. So OB is equal to 2 minus 0 is 0 and 2 square is 4 plus 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 square is 1. We have taken square root, so it becomes root 5. Got it? So OB is root 5. Is it okay? So this is we have to find. Line segment. Fine. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. Okay, this is next. Oh my God. Okay. This little bit more complicated. This is question number 2. We have, you know, question number 2. There is a Cartesian plane like this, and say like this. This is y, this is x, and there is a parabola. Oh, sorry. So there is a parabola like this, which is passing through origin like this, right? It is having point A, right? And okay, parabola is y is equal to, yeah, this is y is equal to x square. sorry, this is having y is equal to x square, right? This is having y is equal to x square, and there is another parabola that is in downward direction like this, and it is also passing through origin like this, right? And it is having a point B. It is having a point B here, and uh, this was point A, and this is belonging to the parabolic equation is y is equal to minus 1 upon 4x square. Yeah, it is towards negative side. This is negative side of the y-axis, y negative, y positive. This is x positive, this is x negative. So that's why this is the equation of parabolic, right? Then they are joined by a line AB, which is passing through origin, right? So the line is like this. Oh, perfect. This is the line we have, right? This is the line we have. This is origin. This is origin to have coordinates 0, 0. Fine. So we have to find the coordinates of this. So and this is parabola's equation. Parabola's equation is y is equal to x square, and this parabola equation is y is equal to minus 1 upon 4x square, and the equation of line segment, this is the line segment AB, right? And its equation is y is equal to x, right? Equation of line segment is y is equal to x, right? So now to get this first, so to get, yeah, this is on the negative side of y. Okay, right. So now to get coordinates of point A, coordinates coordinates of point A, right? What we do, this is equation, this first equation is y is equal to x square, sorry, y is equal to x square. It's given us, this is equation number 1, which is given us. This parabola has a equation y is equal to x square. Okay, got it? And yeah, that is origin, but this line segment is having equation y is equal to x. This line segment, black line which is joining A, this is B, this is B. With the line segment which is joining B to A through O is having equation y is equal to x. So I will put here y is, so this was equation number 1. and y is equal to x. This is equation number 2. So on equating equation 1 and 2, so we get, you know, we get x square is equal to x. So this x and x is cancelled off is 1, so x is equal to 1, right? We get x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then on substituting the value in equation 2, on substituting value of x in equation 1, in equation 1, so that is y is equal to x square, right? So x is 1, so therefore y is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. So coordinates of the point A is 1 comma 1, right? I hope you understand this. Okay. Should I move to next? Now we have to find the coordinates of point B. Coordinates of point B. So here again we take these two equations, say y is equal to minus 1 upon 4 x square. This is equation number 3, and equation number 2 is y is equal to x, right? This is equation number 2. So on equating so we get minus 1 upon 4 x square is equal to x, right? So this x and x is gone, and this 4 comes to this side, so we can write it minus x is equal to 4, or we can write it x is equal to minus 4. Got it? We just equated, you know, this is, there are two equations, so we equated. We put the value of y. The one is having value. Huh, huh. Yeah. This x and x is cancelled out. You got 1 here. This 1 is multiplied by cross multiplied. Cross multiplied. This 1 is cross multiplied by 4. So you got 4. So and 1 is minus 1x. So 1 we not take in consideration. So we write it minus x is equal to 4. So since minus, so what we do, we write x cannot be minus, so value will be in minus. So we multiply both side by minus and bring this minus on the other side. So we get -4 here on the back end. Okay. So x is equal to -4. So if x is equal to -4, so y will be, you know, y is equal to x. So y will also, substituting value in equation 1, sorry, substituting value in equation 2, right? So y is equal to x, so x is -4, y is equal to x, and x is equal to -4, so is equal to, x is equal to -4, so y is also -4, right? So coordinates of point B are -4, comma -4. That's it. So now what we have to find? So we get the coordinates of point A 1 comma 1, B -4 comma 4, right? So what we have to find here again? Find the length of, again we do the same thing, we have to find the line or length of line OA and OB, right? Should I rub this? Should I rub this? Um, oh yeah, I wrote the coordinates, so there is no problem with that. Now length of line segment AB, oh, OA, OA. So that is OA is equal to YA minus YO whole square plus XO XA minus XO whole square root, right? So OA is equal to YA is you know, YA is 1, origin is 0, whole square plus XA is 1 minus 0 whole square, then we have root over, so OA is 1 minus 1 is 1, so 1 square is 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 square is 1, so square root, so we get square root 2. So OA is equal to root 2. Got it? This is the length of line segment. Now length of line segment, length of line segment, line segment OB, right? Length of line segment OB. So OB is equal to square root, you know, This is uh, YB minus YO whole square plus XB minus XO whole square. So this is square root, and then b by b is minus 4. So this is minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 whole square. So we get minus 4 comma minus 4 minus 0 becomes minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 becomes minus 4 whole square, whole square. Then we take square root, right? So we get minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 becomes plus 16 plus minus 4 becomes plus 16, right? Square root. So we get this is 32 root 2, right? 32 root 2. Sorry, sorry. 32 root. Sorry. Say, yeah, root 16 plus 16 becomes root 32. And when we take factor of this, so it becomes root 16 into 2. Root over 16 into 2. 16 is a perfect square of 4. So we can write 4 root 2. So OB length is 4 root 2. Got it? So this is fine.